Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to grow long, healthy, relaxed hair fast. So yeah, y'all know that a couple of months ago I did cut my hair like a short bob length. If you didn't see this video, I'm gonna link it here somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I did cut my hair and now my hair has grown, like it has grown a bit. So some of y'all were asking me like, what did I do to my hair to make it grow that fast, to make it grow like healthy like that? Just so you know, I didn't trim it yet. It's been 8 months and my ends still look like quite healthy, so I didn't trim it. So I'm gonna tell you how to grow long, healthy, relaxed hair in a couple of months. So first of all, what I did that I was already doing when my hair was long, but I continued to do, and I think that helped my hair grow a lot. It was doing hot oil treatment. So if y'all didn't know, I do hot oil treatment once a week on my wash day. After I shampoo my hair, I just towel dry, t-shirt cotton dry my hair to remove like the excess water, and then I put some oil on my scalp, massage for 2 minutes, and then I keep that for like 1 to 2 hours. So this is very good to stimulate hair growth, depending on the oil that you use. But castor oil is a very good oil if you want to stimulate hair growth, but there is a lot of oils also that are good for that. So yeah, this is what I do. So this is seriously very good to grow your hair. So not only does it give the nutriments that your scalp need to grow healthy hair, but the massage that you do to massage your scalp it also stimulates hair growth, so that's also very good as well. Another thing that you should do is to avoid a completely, try to avoid completely direct heat. Like I always say that, like, don't use direct heat on your hair, like the flat irons, blow dryers, curling iron. If you're relaxed, you don't need to use those things because your hair is already straight, you know what I mean? So you can air dry your hair, but you can also go under the hooded dryer with rollers if you have the access to that. Like you can do it yourself at home. I'll link a video to my easy roller set technique somewhere on the screen, because if you want to grow healthy hair, you cannot grow healthy hair with heat damage, you know what I mean? Also, what you should do, track down your hair progress, because when we see our hair every day, we're like, oh, it's not growing, I don't see it growing, it's not growing fast. But if you take pictures, like, you're gonna see the comparison. So I thought that my hair wasn't growing that much, but when I saw the picture that I did after my cut, I was like, oh, my hair did grow, like it did grow, so I must be doing something good. It did grow. But yeah, when I was looking at my hair every day in the mirror, I didn't see that it was growing. But yeah, track down your hair progress with pictures and videos and things like that. You're gonna see that it's actually growing. Another thing, that I didn't do but you should do, is to trim your hair often. So I didn't do it because I really did start fresh, like my ends are still healthy, but you should start fresh. So if it means that you need a cut like I did, like, don't be shy, it's just hair. Like if you need to cut that much, cut that much. Like don't be shy and just I'm just gonna cut like this. No, cut it. It's not healthy, because damaged ends will only like work their way up and cause breakage to the rest of your hair. So here it's gonna grow, but here it's gonna break, so it's gonna seem like your hair is not actually growing. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does. So another thing that you should always do is keep your hair moisturized. Like what I like to do when I feel that my hair is dry is to spray a leave-in conditioner. I like a spray instead of a cream because I don't feel like it weighed down my hair. Like look how flowy my hair is. Yesterday was wash day, so I didn't use one like during the week. But anyways, if you feel that your hair is dry, you should moisturize it because dry hair will only break. And now we are in winter, so I don't know about y'all, but I personally need a little bit more moisture. For me, it's to my scalp, not really to my hair, but you have to do what your hair is asking. So if it asks for more moisture, just moisturize it, okay? Just moisturize it. So yeah, after that your hair is gonna be healthy and it's gonna grow healthy hair after that, okay? Another thing obviously is to protect your hair, so sleep with a satin bonnet, a satin scarf, like protect your hair. You don't want to sleep on a regular pillowcase because that's just gonna rub on your hair. It's just gonna suck all the moisture that your hair has. Your hair is gonna be dry after that, and dry hair means breakage, and we don't want breakage. We want healthy hair. And obviously be consistent. Consistent. I think be consistent in your hair routine. Like don't give up after 2 weeks because you don't see that your hair has grown. Like you need to stick to a routine to see like changes. And now is the best time to do it because we are in quarantine, like we don't go out as much. So take time to learn how to do your own hair. Like don't depend on someone else, don't depend on hair salons, because after that you're gonna be screwed, okay? So learn how to do your hair yourself, like because when we were in this pandemic at first, like in March, April, when everything was closed, like a lot of people were like, oh my god, what I'm gonna do, like there is no hair salon anymore, how am I gonna take care of my hair? And I was like, you don't know how to take care of your hair? Girl, you need to learn. You need to learn how to do your hair yourself. Because, yeah, we never know when something like that can happen again. I'm just like pushing down on my hair because I got a lot of new growth. So basically, that's all I did for this 8-month period to grow out my hair. Like, I didn't do much. I didn't do protective styling. Like this doesn't work for me. If it works for you, you can do that, but I don't feel like protective styling worked for me. But anyways, yeah, I didn't do much to my hair. I just took care of it like I normally do, and that paid off. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to do that, and we'll see how long my hair can grow. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy. So don't forget to comment, to like this video, to share this video with all your friends. Don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys. Look at this. Oh my god.